What's going on, Milli Rollers? If this is not your first time tuning to the channel, welcome back. If this is your first time, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a different video, of course. Again, I'm going to be trying to do daily vlogs due to this coronavirus. So I'm trying to think of things to do. So I think today I've always wanted to kind of do this. I've always wanted to kind of tint this third brake light here, and of course all the little other red things around the rear of the car. I think it'll tie the car very nicely. So I kind of just want to do a quick test before I spend money on, on the actual GM tail lights. So thought process is, I have vinyl that I bought a while ago, and I'll show you guys right here. So this is some dark tint vinyl, and it's gonna be perfect for the third tail light. So I'm gonna do a quick cutout, see if it fits here. I pre-measured this already, so it's already 13 inches long by 1.5 inches. So I'm kind of giving myself a little bit more room to play with, and I'm gonna tint it out and see how it looks. I think it's gonna look actually pretty good because I already have the center of these tail lights. I already tinted them in black, so a dark tint like this. But I don't know if you guys could see, it's already kind of coming apart here. So it's kind of time to replace it. So what a better time than to maybe try to see how everything looks. Maybe have the outside of the tail light a little bit lighter shade, and then the center even darker. So I kind of really like the look. But anyways, this is all experimental to me. First time doing this, so I'm gonna take you guys along the way. So I already pre-cut vinyl right here, so I can put it over the third brake light. And yeah, let's see how it looks. I already have it cleaned. I cleaned it with alcohol, so nothing's gonna stick on there. And yeah, let's get started. All right, step number one, peel this real quick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel it from one side only. And I have a squeegee that I will send out by Vivid. So I'm gonna peel it off from one side, kind of get it on there real good, and then squeegee and see so it can stay there, so I don't get any bubbles or whatnot. So I'm gonna try to squeegee it little by little, and yeah, so far it's sticking pretty good. So I like to go a piece by piece. I mean, I've seen a bunch of YouTube videos on this. Premium Auto Styling, shout out to them. CK Wraps, just out of curiosity on how they do wraps and stuff. So I always find that kind of intriguing. So I've always kind of wanted to do it myself. And I already here I see that it has a little dot. I thought it was dirt, but it has a dot there from factory on the third brake light. So I see that I'm going a little bit too high. So let me kind of peel it back. And there you go. And here we go. All right, so again, I want to say that this is the first time for me, so I don't want to see any comments on how much I sucked ass doing this, because I've never done this. So please God, work. All right, so I think that's actually pretty good. What's up, man? How's it going? So I think it's actually pretty good. It looks pretty good actually. And I covered it up, no bubbles whatsoever. I don't know if you guys are able to see any bubbles. I know I can't, but as you can tell, it's already looking pretty damn good. And kind of ties in the back really nice, especially with that dark tint. I really like that dark tint. So anyways, let's continue with the squeegee and kind of get it around the corners. I'm probably gonna have to get a blow dryer because I don't have a heat gun. I'm a rookie at this, so I'm gonna have to get a blow gun and oh shit, or a hair dryer, and kind of go over this around the corners so it really sticks. Again, I'm not a pro here, but I would love to be. Alright, so that's looking pretty good, pretty solid on there. I'm actually going to cut it around, and if it comes out bad, I have a little knife here. So if it comes out bad, then I'll do it again. But I'm gonna actually cut around it and see how it looks. Alright, so obviously I'm using a regular hair dryer right here. So it's kind of a little bit of a pain in the ass, but it gets the job done because it heats it up quite well. But I still gotta cut. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I still gotta cut this side off, this right here. I still gotta cut this side here because excess. But this side is looking pretty good actually. It's looking pretty clean. If you know, if you guys are able to see that. No bubbles so far. That's pretty good, even though it looks like it, but there's no bubbles. And this corner is actually the hardest one to get through it, but I'm gonna do the same thing to this side, and let's see how that goes. Okay, note to self, do a little bit of a better job cutting. You still can't see any red, which is good. I mean, it's very hard to see, but so far it's looking pretty good. All right, guys, so as you can tell, I finished it up. Some corners are a little bit rough, like this corner right here is a little rough, but I think everything else, well, this corner is pretty rough too as well. But I think the best solution is probably to take off the tail light. Yeah, for sure, because then you could wrap it around real nice. So I'm gonna see how I do this tomorrow, and I might just take it off, but I kind of wanted to see how it looks from the rear. I think it looks a little bit better with that, you know, instead of it being red, a little bit black, kind of like how it looks a little bit better. So I could only imagine how the two are gonna look once I wrap it. So it's gonna look very nice. So let me actually do a quick brake check, see how it looks. So yeah, guys, I don't know how it's gonna look. I think it looks pretty good actually. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think tomorrow I am gonna see how to take off this third brake light and redo it, because I'm a little bit of a perfectionist when it comes to this, and I kind of don't like how it looks right now. Just in the corners, it looks a little rough. So I think to be able to do a better job and make it look even better, I have to take the third brake light off and take it from there. But right now, I really like how it looks. I thought it was gonna look a little bit weirder under the sun. I thought it was gonna look like, you know, maybe a little bit pinkish, but it's actually very nice. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's something different, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I'm gonna be dropping weekly videos, or daily videos, I'm sorry, until I get back to work, you know, like actually go physically back to work. And I want to keep on growing my beard as well. So beard gang, if you're out there, drop a subscribe or hit that subscribe button. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for me. If you guys enjoyed it, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.